Right now, a human-made object is hurtling through the absolute depths of interstellar space. It has no brakes, it cannot stop, and it is currently on a collision course with an alien planet 75,000 years in the future. That object is Voyager 1. When it launched in 1977, its mission to explore Jupiter and Saturn was only supposed to last 5 years. Instead, it has been flying for nearly half a century, venturing beyond the solar system and into the void of interstellar space. It is traveling so fast and has gone so far that in November 2026, it will hit a staggering physical milestone. It will officially be 1 light day away from Earth. A simple ping sent from NASA will take a full 24 hours just to reach the probe, and another 24 hours to return. But that connection is living on borrowed time. Voyager's power supply comes from decaying plutonium generators, losing about 4 watts of output every year. Around 2036, there won't be enough juice left to keep its scientific instruments running, and NASA will lose contact for good. At that exact moment, Voyager 1 transforms. Its glowing components and active transmitters go dark, leaving it a silent monument drifting through the void. But shutting down isn't the end. Because space is a vacuum with no air friction to slow it down, Voyager will keep its momentum. Its active mission may be over, but as a ghost ship, its longest journey is only just beginning. If this silent probe keeps coasting, it will eventually reach an alien world. The closest likely candidate is Proxima Centauri b, a planet orbiting the star nearest to our own. Crossing that gap is a journey of 4.5 light-years. At Voyager's current speed of 38,000 miles per hour, reaching the planet will take roughly 75,000 years. There is an immediate navigational problem, however. Voyager 1 isn't currently aiming for Proxima Centauri b. Its path is locked on to Gliese 445, a star system with no confirmed planets. To reach that alien crash site, this unpowered object must rely on the cosmic physics of the universe to hijack its path and redirect it. The only way a dead probe can change direction is through a gravity assist. By flying close to a massive body, it can steal orbital momentum to slingshot itself onto a new path, the same tactic used with Jupiter and Saturn in the late 70s to reach deep space. To make the hard turn toward Proxima Centauri b, the probe needs another massive object. Astronomers suspect a theoretical, undiscovered rogue mass called Planet 9 may wait in the icy Oort cloud, providing the gravitational kick needed to snap Voyager onto its new 75,000-year trajectory. Getting that boost means surviving the Oort cloud itself. This region is a brutal freeze at negative 268 degrees Celsius, populated by an estimated 100 billion volatile comets. That sounds like a minefield, but space is notoriously empty. The sheer surface area of the Oort cloud is so vast that Voyager's chances of actually colliding with a comet are mathematically close to 0. Dodging giant chunks of ice is not the real hurdle. The true threat to Voyager 1 is completely invisible, and it dismantles the spacecraft on a molecular level over deep time. Outside the protective magnetic bubble of our sun, deep space is flooded with galactic cosmic rays. These super-fast radiation particles are fired out by supernovas and are constantly bombarding the spacecraft. Voyager 1's chassis is primarily made of aluminum. Over a 40,000-year sustained exposure, those cosmic bullets cause severe material defects. The metal loses its structural integrity, becoming extremely brittle. Long before the ghost ship ever catches a glimpse of its destination, it is structurally compromised. The solid engineering of the 1970s is reduced to something as fragile as a ceramic plate, ready to shatter at the slightest impact. When it finally arrives at Proxima Centauri b, the environment offers no safe harbor. The planet is tidally locked to its star, meaning one side is trapped in a permanent, scorched daytime of extreme UV radiation, while the other side is an endless, frozen night. Caught in the planet's gravitational pull, Voyager 1 will slam into the atmosphere like a bullet, hitting an entry velocity of roughly 20 kilometers per second. Without a heat shield to protect it, that brittle aluminum frame cannot withstand the atmospheric friction. The cameras, the high-gain antenna, and the scientific booms will instantly melt and vaporize. Within seconds, the bulk of the spacecraft will be reduced to a cloud of metallic particles, eventually cooling and blowing across the alien landscape as dust. But even this violent crash does not completely erase humanity's fingerprint. Deep inside the wreckage, one intentional artifact has a chance of surviving the intense heat. The golden record is housed in an aluminum jacket and protected by the heavy-duty shells originally meant for Voyager's nuclear batteries, allowing it to ride out the atmospheric entry. Time will have taken its toll. After 75,000 years of drifting through the ether, interstellar dust will have blasted the record's surface. The intricate grooves containing the high-frequency audio data, the music, and the sounds of Earth will be sanded away. Yet, the physical medium endures. Because it is a dense, gold-plated copper disk, it survives the impact. It may be warped from the heat or half buried in the alien soil, but it remains physically intact. The survival of the physical disk matters because the most vital information is engraved directly into the metal of the cover. This starburst pattern is a pulsar map. Pulsars are the rapidly spinning remains of dying stars that emit highly regular beams of radiation. By mapping 14 of these galactic lighthouses, the engraving pinpoints a single central location, our Sun. Advanced extraterrestrial life discovering the disk could decipher those geometric lines to triangulate our Sun's coordinates. This makes the record a cosmic return address. Voyager 1 ends its journey as humanity's most distant physical monument. Buried in alien soil 75,000 years from now, this silent marker serves as proof that we existed.